is Montgomery, Tennessee. That's where these slow folks are from. 25 miles an hour. Thanks for using the pull-off. When there's a sign that says there's a bump, there's probably a bump. Oh. That dude's in a Ram 3500. He's doing the speed limit. Those people are covering their ears. Like our bikes are loud. They are not. There you go. Some of these sections of road, some of these, like that turn right there, I remember it like I was just on it yesterday. And who doesn't love a Nissan Frontier? It might be the best truck ever made. So much better. Nissan pickup trucks are so much better than Toyota. Nissan service department, so much better than Toyota. Check this out. That's a view right there. Yes, you just saw me reach down and turn the heated grips on. Yes, my flanges are cold. Oh, look at them guys. Wow. Those guys were badasses 50 years ago. My buddy Roland behind us, he was a badass 50 years ago. He is old AF. Hey Roland, love you, man. Roland's only 10 years older than I am. But the guys Roland hangs out with, they are cool as anything. They're really old. They range from like 70 to 85. And they all have really cool, I mean super cool motorcycle collections. I know this because I get to change their tires. There are perks to having a tire changer. The only downside to having a tire changer and computer balancer is it allows you to know which one of your motorcycle friends are only your friend because you can change their tires. That you could do stuff for them. When it comes to reciprocating that favor, they will never be there for you. And to me, that's annoying. I'm one of those people that's kind of black or white. You're either my friend or you're not. Look at that view. And I would prefer it if you were my friend. Because in this lifetime, you are never going to have enough friends. And I'm always willing to be your friend. You just gotta come out and hang out. Meet me. Hang out with me. Let's go for a ride. That's a camera. Dude, your lens is 3 feet long. If you're going to put a 3-foot lens on your camera, why not just buy an iPhone? There is good news though. My buddy Wes, who lives in Maryland, his family that he had down in Lula, Georgia, moved to Franklin, North Carolina. So I'm gonna get to see him a lot more often. I'm happy about that. I like hanging out with Wes.